The Two Gardeners. There was two gardeners, Kaito and Akira. They both loved gardening. Kaito's garden was perfect. He would water every plant and remove every weed. His garden was beautiful. Akira's garden was different. He would water his plants, but not every day. He would let the plants grow on their own. His garden was happy and colorful. One day, a big storm came. The wind was strong and the rain was heavy. Kaito's garden was broken. Many plants were destroyed. Akira's garden was okay. The plants were a little messy, but they were still alive. Kaito was sad. He said, "I took care of my garden every day. Why did it get broken?" Akira said, "I didn't take care of my garden every day, but I let it grow strong. That's why it's okay." Kaito learned something new. He learned that it's good to take care of things, but it's also good to let them grow strong on their own. The story teaches that it's good to take care of things. It's also good to let things grow strong on their own. We can't control everything. Sometimes it's better to let things happen naturally.